Kanan, Babo Kapalin. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we have a question for you. So are you looking for a driving school that will help you and will teach you all the techniques and the road safety sa pagkuha ng driver's license? So, if you are that person, samahan niyo po kami in this video. We're gonna be helping you.
So tara, let's go! So kasama natin ngayon si Sir Walter para sa actual driving.
Ready ka na ba, Mark?
Yes, so subukan na natin. Tara!
Bayo ka mako, at least check mo nung able is again mo. Pero nasabi nung 100% capable yan na mag-go full street. We need to do maintenance checks. So basic mo yan Kailangan niya rin i-maintain itang karelang air filter.
Nala po datang pinaka-ingat-ingatan takandalan or pinaka-safety way during mag-drive po.
Sir, sa Ken driving, kailangan talaga alert. Okay? So kasi gana-gana, kailangan mong i-check. So sabi ko, kalupan na nitang kakatamang changing lane. Before changing lane, kailangan makasignal ka. And then, check your mirrors. Kapag free na, doon ka lang mag-change lane. Okay? Kasi, mumuna sir, dengan luang driver, kailan pa aware. Okay? Kalupa ka retang lumang drivers tamo Pagkatang lumang drivers tamo, dati kaya ako kareta. Kasi, ako balo itang gusto ang pong ali. Mumuna, may biyasa ko mo kang bapa ko. So, ikit mi ngeni, lalo na may kaka-lecture, akakit mi nung nano talaga yung gustong way of driving. Okay? Kitang tutuki ka kareng rules and regulations, and then, makapamasa kang signs kareng road. Okay? Kalupa na rin kareng pavement markings. Okay? First of all, sir, dapat road safety. Kaliwa mo ka, but all users of the road. Sabi ko pedestrians have always the right of way. Lalo na nung matikang pedestrian lane, kailangan mag-slow down tamo, give way.
As a driver, hingi lang ako ng mga tips galing sa mga pro drivers na ano yung masasuggest nyo or ano yung mabibigyan yung tips and techniques sa mga nagda-drive at gusto matuto mag-drive.
So, sa mga beginners, sir, ang sinasabi namin is kailangan be patient to avoid road rage. Sa kabagi, kapagi ka bulto, hindi ka problema damo. For example, alalagyan kondisyon para magmaneho, magmaneho. Kasi ito yung panibatanan ng aksidente. So, drunk driving, medyo masagit kayong drunk driving. Kaya, ita po yung panabilin ni yung drunk driving. So, hanggat malyari nung makainom kayo, kaya kayo magmaneho. Kasi po, patang makainom kayo habang magmaneho, masikang kolog, malayos yung gagawan nyo, alin na pala.
Okay, so lesson learned sa mga driver, don't drive when you are drunk. Yan.
So kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Michelle of Drivers and Driving School. Thank you so much for inviting us po. And of course, ang video pong ito ay very applicable dun sa mga gustong mag-aral ng driving
at
kukuha ng lisensya. So tell us more about Drivers Ed po.
Hi, I'm Michelle, owner of Drivers and Driving School and accredited driving instructor also. So we are located here in Pampanga and we have 10 units na po sa mga training vehicles namin. So we are here para i-discuss kung paano yung mga steps in securing student permit or kung yung mga gustong magka-lisensya, sir. So first step, before tayo makakuha ng student permit, you need to undergo a 15 hours theoretical driving course, which is dito ngayon sa classroom. We also have a online lecture dun sa mga busy or yung mga nag-iisip na yung natatakot lumabas.
Yes.
So we have online lecture also. So sa lahat ng mga nagbabalak na kumuha ng lisensya, the 15 hours theoretical driving course is required sa lahat. And pag nagkakuha ng student permit ninyo, you are also required to undergo on 8 or 10 hours on practical driving course.
I see. So, aside from it's actually a required, ano po yung benefits ng enrolling to a driving school?
Of course, if you enroll or nag-undergo ka ng driving school, of course, kailangan sa accredited yan ng LTO. So, first is, malalaman nyo yung traffic rules and regulations
Yes.
natin dito sa Pilipinas. And of course, you will learn how to apply defensive driving and yung mga techniques on a safety driving manner. And of course, hindi lang naman siya basta-basta how to operate the vehicle.
Yes.
Of course, di ba?
Yes.
So, especially if you're going abroad and then magdadrive ka doon, kailangan is you have the knowledge when it comes to traffic rules and regulations and of course, safety driving.
Exactly. Saan na po ba yung mga like branches or offices po natin sa Pampanga?
Yeah, so yung main office namin is located sa Angeles, sa Balibago, and we have branch also in Mabalacan, sa may Barangay Camanchiles, and here in Dolores, and registration office namin. Meron kami sa Eastgate in front of SM Pampanga, and meron din sa may LTO Kilo Guagua.
Kumaga, ano yung pinaka-base fee natin for the driving school?
For manual transmission, ranging tayo from 5,000 to 7,000. Ganun. So, depende kasi sa branches namin.
I see.
And for automatic transmission naman, is ang ranging niyan is nasa 6,000 to 9,000 pesos. Depende sa number of hours na gusto mong i-take ng estudyante. Kasi meron kami for beginners, meron kami for refresher, or yung mga magpa-practice na lang or gusto nilang mag-focus na hindi pa okay yung parking nila,
Yes.
yung mga ganun. So, mag-enroll sila and then I want to familiarize o parang gusto
Yes.
kong matuto talaga
Yes.
how to park properly.
Actually, yun po yung ginawa natin sa araw na to. No? The experience that we had with Sir Walter was really insightful. Kumbaga, yung mga nalalaman namin, nadagdagan pa po. For those who are looking for a driving school dito po sa Pampanga, ma'am, please invite them to come and check out your school.
Yes po. So we have Facebook page po. Kindly visit Drivers Ed Driving School Pampanga, LTO accredited. And of course, meron din po kami mga cellphone numbers na you can reach us po.
Yes. All the details about Drivers Ed Driving School will be provided dun sa information box natin below. So thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much, Ma'am Michelle, for inviting us as well.
Okay, keep safe, fellows. Drivers Ed Driving School, we keep the quality at its best.
Sing